What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing this thing right here. Get some better shots of it. It's a DogBone insert. It goes under the car. It's supposed to, I guess, stop like wheel hop and like stabilize the car a little bit better. So all I gotta do is just jack up the car. It's just one bolt. It's all looking really dirty. Let's see if one of the homies wants to go there to go wash the car. If they want to tag along with me. Alright, so let me just get everything ready so I can jack up the car. Alright, so now that I have the car all jacked up, you can see got her nice and jacked up. I'm gonna show you under the car what's the bolt that I'm talking about and where the thing goes. Alright, so the part where this goes, it goes in this way, I believe. It goes in like that. So this is the bushing right here that leads to like the engine mount, and it just goes on there. So I'm gonna just loosen this up and put it back in. Alright, so let's see if I can focus this. So I got the nut loose now. So you can see this goes in. Let me just try to figure this out. Alright, so I went to the store real quick to go get some WD-40 because you can see, let's see if it focuses, right in there. This is giving me a hard time. So I'm gonna just lube it up and then see if it fits in. Alright, as you guys can see, I got it sitting flush now. So all I gotta do is just put the nut back in and just tighten everything up. That's it. Alright, so now I have the nut in, as you can see, and I'm gonna just jack down the car now and take it for a little spin, see how it feels, see if it made any difference. Alright, so now I'm gonna take it for a little spin, see how she runs. I can already feel the difference in the idling. It feels a lot stiffer. I feel more of a vibration. So let's go see right now. Alright, so she does feel a bit stiffer. I do feel a lot of vibration in the car. I'm gonna do a little pull. She does pull way better. Alright, so right now I'm gonna stop by the homie Brandon's house so I can make him feel how every little vibration in this car feels like, because honestly I'm not sure how I feel about this. It feels like a 50-50 about it. I guess I'll just give it a day to actually like feel it out, because I can feel every little vibration and I kind of do not like it. So I'm gonna just give it a day, see how it feels. If not, I'll just take it back off. It's only one bolt.
Good, baby. How you doing? What's up? Motherfucker. What do you call them? What do you call your fans?
My people. Alright, so the thing I do like about this is that I don't feel any shifts at all. Like, it feels like all smooth. I don't feel like the hardness when it shifts, which is a pretty good thing. But the only thing I don't like about this is that every time I take off from like a red light, like I'll show you right now, you can feel every little vibration in the car. It's pretty annoying. but I guess it only happens when you're just driving off of a red light. So let me show you right now. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's the car vibrating. Like everything on my freaking cup holders are vibrating. It's pretty insane, but I guess it could be good in the outrun. Just give it some time to settle in. So yeah. Alright everyone, so that was it for the install. Now I am gonna go later to go wash my car, so just see you guys in a few minutes, I guess, or just pretty much a few seconds for you guys. Alright, welcome back. We're here at the car wash. Wash my car. Ew. Alright, forgot to end off a video last night, but little update is that I do have something for the GTI ready to be installed. She's out there, but it's gonna be for the next video, so just stay tuned for that. My bad, stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. See you guys in the next vlog.